The following message is transmitted at the request of the Massachusetts State Police. At around 5 p.m. Eastern Time, people begin to see weird creatures within their surroundings. Most of the creatures that people saw was not hostile. It must be some type of hallucination activites around. As many authorities around have no clue on what is the cause of these hallucinations, but other people says that there must be paranormal activity going on people's minds. Though this is not yet confirmed at this time, all residents are strongly advised to remain indoors until this unknown activity has vanished. This message will repeat shortly.